Hello? Do you know what's really embarrassing about this? We don't even have a door on here, so we're using the...
Yeah, it's literally just...
We've taken the door off already. Basically, long story short, I lost the charger to my camera battery and we needed to start decorating the house. So the house is worse than when we bought it. That's why we've got doors here already. But this is going to be an empty house tour video, and we've got Dan behind the camera who's going to have his input as well. So let's get cracking.
My input is that we can't get in front door yet because we didn't have a key.
Yeah, there's multiple dilemmas to this already. We don't have a key for the front door, the old tenants do. So we're having to get a locksmith to come and do it. So that's why you can't come in through the front door. But behind you, if you walk in through the front door, we have a downstairs toilet. I really like the tiles on this. I don't actually think we're going to change these tiles. I just think it needs a new coat of paint. Obviously change these and put new doors on and just decorate. Are you alright there? Yeah, obviously it needs paint on the ceiling and everything, and then we can just decorate it as and when, but that's going to be probably like a last resort kind of thing. Oh, we've also got a lot of storage underneath here. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I thought that was a dead hedgehog. Hodgehog?
Hodgehog, no, I can't really see it.
It's not, it's like a piece of fluff. I don't know, I want to get out of here in case of spiders.
And get door locks on here,
yeah. Oh, the door locked on me in the bedroom the other day. Dad had to kick the door down. I went in to take a picture and then the door just slammed shut and I was like, shit. But yeah, in here we're going to take all these off. Basically all the doors in the house are getting replaced. We're going to obviously paint in here and it's going to get carpeted and new skirting boards. But we're going to use this as storage. I kind of want to put some shelves on the wall.
Yeah, I agree.
I think shelves would look good, and then we could put like our suitcases and then like a hoover there. We're not going to have it too cluttered.
No.
Because then it'll look really messy.
3 months down the line full of shit.
True. And then we've got the hallway. I hate this radiator. So this radiator is going to get covered because... Do you know when people's lost things but they've not glossed them properly and it's like, it's dripping down and you can see it all? Like, ugh, no, I don't like it. This is going to get covered up probably with like a little... I want to say a hallway table. I think they call them a console table. I'm not sure, but I've seen a pebble mirror as well, which will look really nice on here. Our theme for the house is like a neutral base, like throughout, and then you can add colour as such if you want, like when you go around when you finish decorating. But this is the nice sized hallway. I did go out and buy cushions the other day instead of
cleaning supplies.
Yeah. Oh my god. To be honest though, it's them Buchel cushions. They're like really fluffy ones. 2 for £12 at B&M. Bargain. I think we're going to change this banister as well. This is going to be at a later date, but we're going to pay someone to do it.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be too tricky if not. I really want to fill this bit in here and then like sand it down so it's all smooth. And then we're going to get someone to come replace this so it's like an oak stain to it and then put glass in it. Bougie.
You're not doing rested downstairs. Just firing straight upstairs.
Oh yeah, should we probably finish it? Yeah, we can do downstairs. Here was the very messy kitchen. It was definitely a lot better when we moved in because they had some flooring down.
15 layers of lino down.
Yeah, literally 3 layers of lino. So I pulled up the first layer and then I saw some underneath and I was like, right, okay. Pulled up that one and then there were another one and I was like, is there any more? And then they've got like the horrible lino.
Horrible lino tiles. It needs cutting up.
Yeah, this needs to cut up so that we can tile the flooring. And then the layout of the kitchen's more or less going to stay the same, but obviously there's no cabinets on top, so we're going to put cabinets on top of here. We're going for like a navy blue and marble theme. We're going to have a marble worktop, change this sink to a ceramic sink, change this hob to an electric one.
Yeah, maybe an induction.
Because there's nothing wrong with the oven. We cleaned it out the other day and it looks...
Oh, there were a chip at bottom of it, weren't there?
Yeah, there was a crusty, like, old dry shit. We're going to get new doors. We've bought some handles. This needs changing to like a complete drawer set. And then we're going to take the worktop back from there to here, because then there's going to be more room to the side
walk
door.
through.
And then we're going to put our fridge here. We are going to extend this bit out to there. So we've measured it and we're able to get the dishwasher and washing machine there. And then you're probably wondering where the tumble dryer is going to go. This bit looks disgusting, by the way. It's all a work in progress, it will come together. Everyone that's watching this is probably going to be like, looks disgusting.
Council estate vibes.
Literally. When we moved in, that's why we're taking like skirting boards up everywhere. But we're going to change this into a mini utility. Now the reason I say mini is because realistically we're only going to fit a tumble dryer in there. So we're going to box the boiler in, and we're going to have the same cupboard as what's in the kitchen. Tile it the whole way through, put new skirting boards on, obviously paint it. And then we're going to get the same worktop as the kitchen and pop that on top of the tumble dryer as well. Obviously we're going to take out all the old shelving and put new shelving up. But when the tumble dryer's in there, you're going to have loads of room for like new shelving and everything.
Do you want to see the garden?
Oh, the garden, wow.
It's absolutely enormous, but it's an absolute shithole.
Yeah, so when we viewed the house, it had already been emptied for, I want to say, how long had it been empty for? About 3 months?
Yeah.
And it had already started overgrowing then, and then our solicitors took the absolute piss. So it's like 6 months.
Yeah, growing.
Yeah, so it's very overgrown, so we need like a petrol one or whatever that. And then as you get through here, there was flooring down, there was wallpaper on the walls, and there was skirting boards. This is why it looks worse now. I've already painted this one wall, but we need to fill like all the cracks and everything before like carry on painting. But I lost my shoe. Look at how big this is. We're going to put a media wall here, build out, we're going to put the TV in it. You've all seen like all of the Pinterest and everything. Make space for a soundbar and then space for a long fire. Chef's kiss. It's going to be deluxe Egyptian cotton vibes, a cream carpet or like a neutral kind of carpet we've got down. A corner sofa, a lamp in the corner. I love Christmas, so I've already decided the Christmas tree is going to go here.
And them shelves are going bye-bye today.
Yeah, I can get them out the other day actually. I then screwed them.
They've been painted, they've been glossed in, I think, so... Just hang on, because there's loads of screws.
Oh, this is the paint by the way. You can kind of see like what kind of vibe we're going for. We're going to put deluxe Egyptian cotton in the living room, the 3 bedrooms, and that's it. And then there's one from Wallpaper called Clotted Cream, that's going in the hallway and the stairs. Not really decided on a colour for the kitchen yet, just because we're going for like navy blue and marble. So that might have to be clot cream as well, because it's a very neutral colour. And then here, we have French doors in the garden.
If you want to know what floor wearing, living room, it's that one there.
Yeah, it was actually really nice to be honest. And it's quite expensive like flooring. It's the one that's in the hallway as well, but it's not our vibe, so we've taken that up. That's all the laminate, and there was 3 rows of carpets there because I got too impatient the other day and pulled up all the carpets from the bedroom and launched them out the bedroom window. We need to get a skip and fix this door. It's not we need to get a skip because obviously that can't stay there. But for the time being, we might just put it in there. I'm not close that door, but it's going to stay.
Be okay, it's going back up in a bit anyway.
And then, the reason there's like a piece of carpet missing there is because we needed to see what the underlay was like for when we get our carpets fitted. Obviously this carpet here is what was everywhere.
Nasty.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we've got another toilet upstairs. So the toilet is actually separate from the bathroom, which I enjoy. This one obviously mimics downstairs, it just doesn't have like the same neutral.
It's just got horrible.
I don't know what they were thinking.
I don't think they were.
The good thing is though, is obviously they've tiled it on top here, but with it being like a toilet that's built in, there's so much like dirt on that toilet seat. Give me a bit. Should have closed that. Obviously it's built in, so you have a worry if anything goes wrong with it that you're going to have to take all your tiles off, but they've done it like that. So yeah, obviously I'm going to change this as well.
Yeah.
I like the hallway, it's really big. I was thinking about putting something in the corner there. I think that'd be really nice. We're going to change all of the light switches as well and all of the plug sockets. We've already bought some and they're like a chrome brushed black nickel. They're really, really nice. I like shiny as well.
You can put a photo in, can't you?
I can do, yeah. I'll pop a photo in. Door handles are the same as well. So if we come this way, we've already had our bed delivered, by the way. So this is the first bedroom. This wall did have wallpaper all over it, and then some plaster's come off, so we just need to fix that. And then we can paint in here, but obviously, like I said before, it's going to be Egyptian cotton. We're going to have our bed here, a bedside table bed, because this is a king size bed, so we can't really put a bedside table at each side. I really want to get one of those goofy chairs. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's like a teddy chair, and just put it in the corner here with a lamp behind it, and that would look like really cosy. And then on that wall there, we're going to have some chest of drawers, and then pop the TV on the wall. And then I feel like the bedroom's not cluttered, because obviously when you're out all day and you're working, you want to come back to your bedroom that's like nice and clean. Across from the bedroom we have the bathroom. We've got the foot base for our bed in here because we didn't want to ruin it because we already had a look at it. But obviously it mimics like the toilets and everything. We're not going to change the bathroom because it's a really expensive job, and to be honest I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think we can like replace the taps and the shower and maybe the radiator.
Yeah, because they're not expensive.
Yeah, but that's about it, to be honest. The shower is actually a really good size.
Shall I get in it?
Do you want to get in it for size reference?
Yeah. So I'm 6'2".
You could probably fit about 3 Dans in there. See ya. I feel like now that I'm looking at you in there, we need to get a shower, like a shower head that's from the ceiling, because that doesn't reach you at all.
It's going to need to like open it. We'll have to get a longer one.
Yeah, because that doesn't reach you at all.
I'll go get a shower.
You'll have to sit on the floor. It's nice and spotlighted in here as well, so, because that's one thing that we want. What?
Spider.
Oh, don't. We wanted to spotlight everywhere, so obviously when we saw that we'd already spotlighted the bathroom, there's just no reason to change it. I don't think there's anything wrong with the bathroom. If we were going to change it, we were going to go for like a pale grey sort of vibe, like with the tiles and everything. But if we are going to do it, we're going to do it as the last job, like after the garden and everything, because there's nothing wrong with it, so. It's staying as it is. This is the worst room.
Yeah.
Tried to take the skirting boards off. They were nailed in, so.
Shall I show the floor?
What?
Do you want to show the...
Oh, yeah. How bad is that? That's even worse than my socks and slides. So we're going to get new skirting boards, obviously like throughout the house and everything. We want to get them ones that are quite tall, and we need to put them down before we get our carpets fitted, but we also need to paint it first. So I've started stripping the wallpaper in here. There was all that wall there, this wall here, and then there was this
that
wall
one as well, wasn't it?
as well. This wall actually, to be fair, all the walls in the house have been replastered. There's just some of them where the paint is coming off, so they've not diluted with the paint first when they put it on the plaster, and now when you take the wallpaper off, it's taking the paint with it as well. You're probably going to be wondering what this room's for. And then I didn't mention wardrobes going in the last bedroom. This is going to be my wardrobe and filming room. And we're going to have wardrobes there. I've just bought a light. It's the best fucking light in the world. We're going to put the light there. We're going to get a really like long mirror. The one from IKEA that's like really tall.
Yeah.
We're going to put that one there. We're going to get the wardrobes as like a corner, because there's a lot of space on this wall here that we can utilise. So we can go all the way from obviously this corner to around here. And then, because I have loads of clothes, we're going to get wardrobes all down here as well. And it's going to be IKEA Facts wardrobes without the doors. I feel like they look better without the doors. Put more dressing room in. Depending on how much room is left over, which, to be fair, there'll be a lot this side, because that's going in like next to the chimney breast, isn't it?
Yeah, there'll be plenty of room.
Yeah, we can probably have like something in the middle here that keeps all the shoes and everything in. I'm going to put a table here to film, just because there's loads of like really good natural lighting, and then obviously I could like close the curtains and put a ring light on as well. So that's the vibe for in here, and it's going to look fucking sick on its own, even though it looks like a shithole right now.
Yeah, I'll show you a view from like the outside of the room how bad it actually is at the minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fogged.
I need to finish doing It looks so much better when it's painted.
Yeah.
And when the carpets are down. Right now it looks horrendous. And then in here, this is the third bedroom, so we're going to use this as a spare one. It's going to get painted the exact same as the other ones because we don't want the spare bedroom to just look like
a dumping ground.
Yeah.
Which it is at the minute.
Yeah. Like whoever invented wallpaper can actually suck my arsehole. Because it's the worst thing to get off the wall. It doesn't look nice. Who in the right mind would wake up one morning and go, do you know what I think's going to look nice in a bedroom? A fake brick wall and blue pen. And the carpets.
Yeah.
Horrendous.
It literally was like decorated by somebody with no taste.
There's a story behind this that's not very PG. So I'm not going to say it. It's not like mould or damp. Well, it was, but it's been treated. So it's not like it's going to keep coming back through. We just need to basically get some like sugar soap and things like that on it. Same for the window as well. But yeah, we're going to put like a double bed here, bedside table, maybe another chair and a light, so sort of movie car bedroom. But we've got some wardrobes at my mum and dad's house that we're going to upcycle, just because we've got loads of clothes. So we might have to use that as well. I feel like the hallway actually looks really big from like that bedroom. We've taken down all like the horrible blind fittings as well, and they had a thing for curtains here, so there's like loads of holes everywhere. But yeah, we have a house, and this is the empty house tour video that looks like shit. We really need to start decorating. We are getting our carpets fitted on the 7th of October. So we really need to start like painting and stripping wallpaper and everything. We'll definitely do it by then.
Yeah, it's 4th of September today, isn't it? So
yeah.
Got a month.
We've got a month, yeah. We've also got a home account on Instagram, so I'm going to put it on the screen as well as my own. So you can all go and follow it. And if you all enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And get ready for the moving vlogs. I'm going to start vlogging today actually. And then you can all see the process and you can see everything come together. Oh, I look like shit.
Yeah, I've got plasters all now.
You just agreed I look like shit. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.